Hi, this is Dr. Pan, host of Tucson MassDoc channel on YouTube. Having gone through explained what percentage is and why it's important, let's take a look at 3 examples of percentage that involves percentage. First one we have here, it says 35% of 500 is what number? So basically we could be asking 35% off of a item that's $500, so how much is discount? Similar ways, but mathematically they are all the same. The way we do this one is recognize this critical word off. Off means literally multiply. Okay, think about it. If I tell you I give you cake, give you half, okay, and then you want to share half of a half, so it's really just the quarter you're sharing with your friend, okay? Half of a half, which is quarter, okay? So in real life, you're doing a lot of the word problems that involve percentage and fraction. You just don't realize it. So anyway, getting back to the examples, the word off means multiply. Okay, so 35%, we're going to literally write it down, off 500 is what number? We call it number X. Okay. Now I always tell my students, as I mentioned earlier, 35%, 35 is not a number in this 35%. You have to convert it into a fraction or a decimal. Either way, but you can't use the 35 as if it's a number, because 35% literally means 35 per 100. Percent is per 100. Okay, so here I calculated it back into a decimal form. If you want to use fraction, that's fine also. Okay, so then this equation becomes 0.35 times 500. Okay, equal to what number? Well, let's multiply it out. 500, there's 2 zeros here. I can literally multiply the 100 out. I become a 35 times 5. Okay, 25, 70, so 175 is the answer. Okay, 35% of 500 is 175. So 35% off, which means the same thing, of a $500 ticket, that means you take $175 off. Okay, that's the example one. Let's take example 2. 36 is what percent of 90? Okay, so I switched the problem around a little bit. But you know what? It's exactly the same. We're going to do 36 is, literally means equal, what percent, I don't know what that thing is. I'm going to put an X in here. Off, remember what F is? It means X, or multiply. Okay, so it's X times 90. It does kind of get confused that this is X, this is X. So let's just do a dot as a multiplication. So here is your equation. 36 is equal to 90x. Solving for x by dividing 90 on both sides. So I have x is equal to 36 divided by 90. It's 0.4. Okay. Now once you get the decimal, then if you want, or they're asking what percent, you can literally do 0.4 times 100 and then percent. Okay, the bottom part becomes percent sign, so this becomes 40%. Okay, this percent sign comes from the per 100. So literally 36 is 40% of 90. Okay, one more example. Let's see, I'm running out of room here a little bit. The third person. 40 is 20% of what number? Okay, now let's look at this. 40 gets copied is equals 20%. The word off means multiply. What number? I don't know what the number. Okay, we're going to solve for it. Now, here, once again, before you use any calculation dealing with the percent, convert it into a decimal, which is 0.2. Okay, so 20, let's convert it on the side. 20 percent, okay, it's 2 over 10, it's equal to 0.2. Okay, pretty easy to convert. Once you know the word percent really means per 100. Okay, so 0.2 times x, and 40 is equal to this. Well, we're going to divide it by 0.2 on both sides, so x is equal to 40 divided by 0.2, or x is equal to 200. Okay, so there we solved 3 typical, very common percentage problems. So percentage is nothing to be feared. It's just a way to say it's a number per 100. That's it. And so long you know that word off means multiplication, and setting it equation literally word for word, you're off to a good start. All right? Hope this helped, and have a confident day.